Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 170, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to install applications on this watch. So let's get started. We can install applications on this watch in two ways. The first way is to do it directly on the watch, and the second way is to do it through the phone application. And I really recommend the phone application method because it's more convenient, more like faster, better, I would say. It's better in my opinion, and I recommend to use this one. You can also download it through the watch itself. You have a Garmin ConnectIQ Store on the watch as well, and you can basically browse through the store on the watch, directly on the watch, and download directly on the watch. I'm gonna show you both, but first I'm gonna start with the phone application. And to use the phone application to download your watch, of course your watch needs to be paired with a phone, and then you need to install the ConnectIQ Store application on that phone. And it works both on Android and iPhone, so that's not a problem. Just open the App Store on one of the phone, or rather on your phone that is paired with your watch, then type in ConnectIQ, and on the list of applications you should see the ConnectIQ Store. Install it, and once you're done installing the app, open it. Okay, we can open the app. In the app you can tap on continue, check the box right here, tap next, and if you see any pop-ups about the permissions, allow the required permissions, because otherwise it won't work. Okay, and then you should see the homepage of the ConnectIQ Store, and here you can browse different categories if you want to look for something you like. Let's say I'm gonna tap on search, select the apps category, and now I'm gonna browse through the apps and look for something I want to install. Let's say I want to install Google Maps. Here we have the description of the app, you have screenshots, you have the reviews, of course, so you can check if the app is decent or not. You can also tap on compatible devices right here to check if your watch is compatible, and you can scroll through the list, look for the Forerunner, and it is here on the list, so it means that the app should be working on our watch. And once you decide to install the application, you tap on install, allow the required permissions, it will be queued for the installation, and after some time you will see the pop-up on your watch or in the app telling you that the map or the app was installed. As you can see, it's been installed, so we're ready to go. And if you want to check which applications are installed on your watch, you can always go to device here, and my device apps, and here we have the list of applications installed on our watch. Okay, and if you install some applications, to open them, you press the start button to open the activities and apps menu, scroll down through it, and here you should have the icon of the apps you installed, for example, Google Maps. And here we have it. Okay, now to install the applications directly on the watch, it's kind of similar, but I find it a bit more wonky, a bit more annoying. And to do that, you simply open the activity and apps menu, scroll down through it, and look for the ConnectIQ Store, of course, and tap on it to open the store. And here you can browse through the store, look for something you like. For example, we're gonna open the browse and trending apps. And now we can look for something we want to install. Watch faces, widget. I don't see any application here on the list. Again, watch faces. Like I said, this interface is not the greatest in my opinion. Let's see if we can find some app instead of watch face. That would be the preferable outcome. Again, watch face. Okay, let's go back, actually. Go back to the trending apps. And here, let's go to the next page. Hopefully it will give us something else than watch faces. Widget, watch face. Oh, there's an app called Time to Pray. Whatever. Let's say we want to install it. We can tap on it, tap on install, allow the required permissions, and the app will basically install in the background. And once it's done installing, you will see the pop-up on your watch telling you that the application was installed. And this will take a bit of time for it to install. Actually, it might take a lot of time, so I'm gonna come back to you once the pop-up appears on the screen. Okay, and after a while, the application installed, and now we can open it by going to the Activity and Apps menu right here, and the app should be right here on the list, and you should be able to use it. Okay, and that's how you install applications on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.